In today's video, I will walk you through how to make all cells the same size in Google Sheets. First, select the columns you want to resize by clicking and dragging across the column letters at the top, such as from A to F. Once highlighted, all selected columns will change together. Next, move your cursor to the line between any two selected column headers. When it turns into a two-sided arrow, click and drag left or right to set the column width. All selected columns will adjust at the same time. Release once you reach the size you want. Now select the rows you want to adjust by clicking and dragging down the row numbers on the left side. Make sure all the rows are highlighted together. Then place your cursor on the line between any two selected rows. When it changes into a two-sided arrow, click and drag up or down to change the row height. All selected rows will resize evenly at the same time. If needed, repeat the same steps to fine-tune the sizing until everything looks consistent. Once both columns and rows are set, your cells will all be the same size and your sheet will look clean and aligned. You can always repeat these steps later if you want to adjust the layout again. Thank you for watching the video.